a midday here in Macau. I want to take everyone out and do something that I really enjoy doing here in Macau, and that is I'm gonna go do some street photography today. Got the simple 22mm lens today. Gonna take some street photography pictures and get home and see what we can develop. Should be fun. Why don't we go do that now? So, a lot of times when I'm doing this street photography stuff, I'm not really looking for anything in particular. It mostly seems to be that when I run across something, I'll know whether I want to take a picture of it or not. So we're going to go out, we're going to do some street photography, see what we get when we get home. This looks fairly interesting. Hello. Let me get a picture of this. Of course, not every picture is a keeper. You have to go back to the computer and do some development and see if you can sometimes make things pop. Sometimes you got a nice surprise on your hands. Sometimes not so much. I would say that not having a car in Macau has really forced me to walk a lot of places here, and because of that I've really gotten to know Macau in a way that I think most locals haven't had a chance to, especially if they have a car, because you know, who's gonna walk over here? Who's gonna, I mean, and I can't blame them. Look, when I was in Vegas, there was a lot of places that, you know, they were nearby, but what am I gonna go do there, right? I mean, I can go there anytime. So I think that sort of exists all over the world, but I do think it's nice that because I've had to walk everywhere and because I like to do this street photography stuff, that I've gotten a chance to really see some of the really sort of more hidden parts of Macau, or the parts that just aren't really, you don't get a lot of people that go to them, right? Because they may be secluded, or they may be out of the way, or there's just no reason to go to them. But like I've never been here, right? And I'm not really sure where this road's gonna take me. I guess I like the thought of that. So I see that the leaves are starting to turn this nice orange color. I could keep walking down this road, but I mean, this looks pretty interesting. Let's see. Rampa de Peña. Peña is the same place that we found that church. I wonder if this also leads up to the church. Maybe we're just coming at it from a different angle. But there wasn't anything stopping me from coming up here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to explore this area and see what's out here. Alright, so it looks like we made it to the top of the ramp. Super secluded. And I saw this sign here, Rampa de Peña. And this is the kind of stuff, I mean, I love the fact that it's got these overgrown leaves that have like started to take over, and they just keep growing up. So this is sort of exactly the sort of thing that I love to take pictures of. Sort of like the forgotten items here. So why don't we get a quick picture of this? So there's these stairs over here. Grab my backpack. Let's see where they lead. If you've ever been to Macau, let me know if you've been here. I mean, even if you're, oh man, look at those stairs over there. Look at that. That is cool. Quickly. Oh man, it just keeps breaking up. I can go left or I can go right. I kind of feel like I want to keep going up. Alright. What is this place? Alright, so we got graffiti and what looks like a house. Alright, so this is a new one for me. I have never been here. And I'm pretty safe to say that probably not a lot of people in Macau have been here either. I don't know if this is an abandoned house or if this was some sort of installation of some sort. I mean, the only time I've ever seen something like this is in like a lookout post. Oh man, the door is open over there. I just noticed this door is open. No. This looks fully abandoned. Looks like if you're thinking if I'm gonna take you to that house, yeah, I'm not going in there. Let's see what we find right here. There's that house up there. I'm assuming that these stairs lead up to the house. Also want to like step on a snake or something, because I have had that happen to me before. Hello? Doesn't look like anybody's here. Got like an electrical station, not sure what that is, and then this abandoned house over there. Whew. Yeah, no one. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. All right, so we did it again. The stairs, didn't find anything. Now let's get out of here. Don't want to get in trouble. That was an interesting experience. But there it is, the Macau Tower. I think I just got bit by a mosquito. Damn it. Yep, it got me. For some reason, mosquitoes really seem to like Mexican food. And so here I am. Alright, so that's pretty much a wrap for today, that was okay. I mean, given the weather conditions and things like that, and where we walked to, and not really quite sure what to expect. So, I hope that was fun. It was fun for me. We'll see what the pictures look like when we develop them back at the apartment. All right, bye-bye.